Magkakaisahan nyo akong tatlo, no? Hmm?
Mano kung kakainin lang yan, Jay?
Grabe kayo, inom ko lang. First time niya, ano na punot mama, nananab sa binibid. First time niya kumain ng samji, guys. Lahat may subo. Masarap? Masarap? Nagmamama. Sab-sab daw ang dahon.
I have back. Wait. What she said?
I heard
You know,
What she said? Okay, it's excuses. What she said?
mukhang panda si ate.
Oh my goodness. No. It's okay. Oh, it's just sometimes. No.
Don't fight.
Sometimes.
Don't
Wait,
fight.
I explain to you. Sometimes oi is just we use it for English. Like it's just part of expression. Like oi, like oh my god, like OMG, like OLM. So, like that.
You said that it's poor. You pour it.
We draw in your
Your face
we put
or something in your.
Charcoal in your face.
Okay.
Don't use charcoal. It's
Why?
dirty. No, it's good for your health or your skin.
How did you know that it's good for your health?
Because
Are
You try it. Okay, give me one, then I try to understand. Please.
Magagaling magsalita ng English. Hindi sila
Yeah,
nagkakamali.
we're trying our best. And at least we're trying our best. So, hello.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Regina Capanes. Just vlog, just right tab, not up, just down.
my name is Mariangela Kapitay and my name is so much long.
Crazy.
Oh,
Sisa.
and you?
She's Mandita, you know.
No, she's a big.
I see.
She's a neg. She's no,
Me?
it's just a neg.
Yes. You?
네, 안녕하세요. 린사입니다.
You?
The cellphone.
Hirap.
Happy birthday, sister! Ayan, tayo na lang magdamay ang dalawa kasi wahayayaw tayo ng mga ano dyan, mayayaman. So, ayan. Happy birthday! Ngayon na kita yayakapin. Yakapin mo naman ako.
Tanda na ako.
Yakapin mo ako, Aron. Oh. Ay, happy birthday, sister.
Sa lahat ng mga binibigay mo sa akin.
They have roles, the two king of English, and they have consequence na hinom sila na let's say, may makapagsalita sila ng Tagalog. So, ano, lasing geras for us tonight. So, what is your consequence?
Yeah.
Can you
That's good.
explain? Can you explain that it's a consequence?
No, we have okay. Since we need to speak only English,
Okay.
and the consequences once they speak Tagalog, we need to drink a double shot.
Okay.
Okay.
A double
And
shot, but I didn't drink.
let's
You
start.
don't drink?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Okay.
triple drink now.
No,
Triple
double
shot.
only.
So,
Okay, this one is for Angelica.
Start.
Joy.
She
Ayan.
whisper
Oh,
Tagalog.
you guys,
She whisper
what
in
are you
Tagalog.
doing?
She whisper in Tagalog.
She?
Yeah.
What did I say?
It's Chinese. It's okay.
See?
Not we can use that language. Okay, drink this one for you.
okay, sige.
Oh my God. One of the there over there, he's busy with using phone. Phone is not allowed.
Ano yung pulutan nyo pala? Ay,
We
wow.
don't have no more pollutant. It causes
Barbecue,
someone
chicken,
is ordered
buffalo
barbecue.
Buffalo wings and barbecue pork.
She eat all.
Pork.
Yeah. Do you have proof?
Yeah, because all the stick is on you.
Do you have proof of that?
The
So guys, wait.
Guys,
wait,
you need
okay.
to
So
all
you
to
both
talk.
Both of you is you need to.
Both of us? Why?
Yes, because you speak Tagalog.
I didn't speak
No,
Tagalog.
you. No, I'm sorry. It's not you. It was your husband. You, mama, you.
hey, you should not. It's unfair, you know.
Touch my phone.
You know what? When you say that, I just remember you know, a cartoon starter, Patrick.
No.
Hey!
Don't touch my face just like a sponge. Okay, SpongeBob, it's your time.
Our chips, put it here, not in your lap.
Okay.
Sorry.
And how about you? Can you say
you put that?
something? Say
You.
something.
Hot dog.
Fingers, kaya hindi ako umiinom kasi ayaw ko magkamali eh. Kasi mga ano sila, perfect in English. Perfect in English. Kaya pag sumali ako, malalasing ako. Pag sumali ako sa kanila, malalasing ako kasi lagi ako nagkakamali pag nagsasalita ako. Kasi we did it
No,
before.
he.
So-
When you say he, she,
I don't know because.
you don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Why you say you don't know? Ask your sister.
Oh my gosh. Who is she or he?
Are you she or he? Are you she
Because
or
I don't
he?
know. Because they have double breast.
What?
Double breast.
No, you
Did you
speak.
did you saw that?
The
When? How?
I know.
What did you know? Just tell me. It's
You know the tabs?
what is that?
The Punji bar.
Tops?
No, the tabs.
Tabs.
When the Tagalog is
Okay, the top.
Saba. You
Saba?
know Saba?
Oh my God! I don't know
What?
how you say that. So bad. Oh my God!
Like when you frito it, it's like an oil.
A crispy?
Hey!
Ano? Hi guys! Ano naman ang ating inuman? Oy, isa lang bisita namin, ano pa, ang sungit.
Ako. Paano? Reklamo ka ng reklamo kung kaya mo.
Char! Char lang yun. We just celebration for, because we have Wi-Fi soon and we have power. Ano pa? Our life is getting moving up, charot, to the new chapter.
Our life
guys.
is going uphill.
Happen. So guys, we have a challenge for tonight. We do to English only. So if you can speak Tagalog and you English only, guys. So we do try how we are good talk in English. So let's start, guys. Regina, what's the rules?
Philippines, you are not eating anything.
Ano daw? Eating in a day?
You're not eating this.
Oy, bata.
Bakit nandito siya?
Bata.
Kaya nga. Dito siya sa vlog mo, tapos tinawag mo niya.
Dadaya kayo eh. Kaya inom ko lang, painumin na naman ako. Grabe kayo. Tagaya. Pinagkakaisahan niyo akong tatlo, no? Grabe kayo, inom ko lang. Katayo ko, inom na. Wala akong orange. Eh, inom na naman daw ako.
Ganun ka lang.
Ilalasing nila ako.
Inumin mo na. Before anything else, sabihin mo. Today
before
is my
anything-
day. I should be
Kili-kili. Walang sinasabsab. Ayan. Kahit tayo guys, nandun pa sa rep yung ice cream. Masarap to kasi na-miss ko yan eh.
Ay, sinasabi-sabi.
Hmm?
Atin eh. Kayag na may
Ma'am, ulit kasi lingero tuloy matikman.
Ayun yan.
Sige mo kaya ang amjit, pagkain mo.
Kasi hindi daw na inutod-utod. Magwaray ka ka dati, magwaray. Yung kimchi ate, ayan nyo naman yung
Ito naman.
samche. Kimchi. O, ayan yung chamchi. Yung kimbab, wala na, naubos na. Ay, ano yan? Masarap yan. Pagmama ko, no, pagmama. Dapon, mate, dapon. Dapon eh, dito sa Samar. First time niya nagsamji, guys. Ayan, magmamama daw ko no hiya.
Yan.
Ayan kasi yung ano ng mga Korean food. Dada. Diri niya aram. Balutangan, kauna. Yada, kaon. Kaon, dali. Dali, lahat. Ayan, subo, yan. Diba? Ano yan, magmamaya. Kasi tawag magmama. May regalo ko sa'yo. For 50-year-old birthday. Happy birthday.
Ano yan?
Kahit amuin mo pa. Di masarap? Masarap.
Surprise!
Kahit amuin mo pa.
Wow! Diba? I just buy it yesterday.
Amuin mo.
Diba?